Hello guys, yeah, okay. So today I'm gonna show you how to repair any kind of SD card problem or how what you can do to repair an SD card problem. So this method works for every kind of SD card, whichever having problem. Okay. So now I'm inserting my card in the SD card reader. Then I'll insert it my laptop. So see, I insert it. So now it's loading, I guess. My card is not even visible. Okay, so this is my problem. So I have connected it, but it's not visible. Okay, it got it. Oh, so USB drive H. This is my 16 GB memory card. Okay, so what to do and how to solve, we'll see it. So I'm using the resources of diskpart website itself. So they gave one method. I'll tell you how what to do. Step 1, go to command prompt. Click, type disk part, means disk partitions. Yes, a disk part.exe will get opened. Okay, then wait wait for some time, it will load up. Okay, now disk part opened. It will give all the features it's having. So we have to use a list disk. Okay, list to list the number of disk available. Sorry. Okay, so total number of disk available was disk 0 and disk 1. So disk 1 is size 14 GB. This is my pen drive. Okay, so it's free mentioned, but I am not able to open it because it, there's an error, but it's detecting. So diskpart will detect all the USB connected devices, all disk available. Okay, so yeah, now we have to select. So be careful here, because if you select the wrong disk, you may end up destroying your hard drive full memory. So select disk 1. Disk 1 is mine. Okay, so I selected disk 1. Now you can list. Step second is clean it, or else first list partitions. Oh, sorry, partition. So there are no partition on this disk. This disk is